Sweet potatoes contain high amounts of beta-carotene, which converts to vitamin A. Vitamin A helps with sebum production, and this also promotes a healthy scalp. A deficiency in vitamin A leads to thinning, shedding, and hair breakage. Did you know that broccoli contains a high amount of the protein keratin? And as you probably already know, your hair structure is mainly made up of this protein. Hence, incorporating broccoli into your diet will help strengthen the hair strands. Broccoli also detoxifies the body by sweeping the colon clean, so this benefits the scalp as well. Carrots are very high in vitamin A and aid with preventing split ends. Onions are rich in sulfur that ensures that the hair strands stay strong and resilient. Check the benefits of onion from the video The Secret Serum at the end of this video to find out more. Bell peppers have high levels of vitamin C, which is used for collagen that helps our bodies hold everything together, meaning saying bye-bye to split ends. We use the pink Himalayan salt that is not the ordinary table salt, as it has high levels of minerals. These spices are made of oregano, basil, black pepper, and all of these help to reduce inflammation in the body. Turmeric powder is highly anti-inflammatory and it aids with hair growth, preventing the hair from falling out, i.e. alopecia, and any other scalp conditions. Seaweed is packed with the all-powerful mineral iodine, which is lacking in most of our food. This mineral helps regulate the thyroid gland, which also aids hair growth. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth by getting deep into the hair follicle to add shine, softness and bounciness as it's packed with MCTs. Avocado, with all its vitamin E, is a powerhouse for hair growth. Vitamin E improves blood circulation, therefore helps our hair follicles to work better. We normally add moringa powder after the food has been dished out, as moringa has a large variety of rich minerals, including zinc, which is essential for healthy hair production, and antioxidants to boost keratin production. It helps to restore strength and promote healthy hair growth. Hey, let's organic cosmetics.
Perfect skin and hair. What you searching for? Perfect skin and hair.